On 15th August, we celebrate Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. We got independence on 1947 from British. This day we remember a great struggle of freedom. Independence Day in India is a national holiday. Prime Minister hoists Indian flag with great courage. India flag gets salute from everyone. National anthem is also sung on this day to proud India. Many freedom fighters work hard for freedom. Five famous freedom fighters are Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, born on 31st October 1875. He will be brave. He is called as an Iron Man of India. He is a lawyer, but he withdrew from law and joined freedom fighter to fight against British rulers. He became Deputy Prime Minister of India after independence. Jawaharlal Nehru, born on 14 November 1889. Nehru was a barrister and became popular as both freedom fighter of India and a politician. He joined the freedom struggle, became the president of Indian National Congress and first Prime Minister of India. He was called as Chacha Nehru and his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Mahatma Gandhi, born on 2nd October 1869. He is the father of nation. He studied law in London and went to South Africa for practice where racial discrimination happened. After watching the status of India ruled by Englishmen, then he joined the freedom fighter. He led several non-violence movements against Britishers in efforts for freedom. Tantia Topi, born on 1814. He is one of the great classic Indian rebellions. He led a group of soldiers and to fight and end the dominance of the British. Nana Sahib, born on 19 May 1824. He led a group of ardent rebellions. He was a skilled administrator as well who prepared and led thousands of Indian soldiers. Independence Day commemorates all the sacrifices made by freedom fighters and political visionaries. People are reminded of the nation's rich cultural and religious diversity. We must remember our brave freedom fighters on this day. The entry of the British East India Company in 16th century. It was ended in 1947, 15th August. While British rule in India might have destroyed its economy and freedom, it also established virginized education in India. Many freedom fighters lost their lives in order to provide independence to our country, India. Some freedom fighters who lost their lives are Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Tantia Topi, Nana Sahib, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sukhdev, Kunwar Singh, Rani Lakshmi Bai. The celebration unites us with the feeling of nationalism and patriotism across the country. It is the day we forgot all our cultural differences and stand united as Indians. From KRM Vaishnavi, 9th A Maharshi Vidya Mandir, Rasi.